Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Dabi and today's video is another completely different video. You know what, I think I'm keeping you guys guessing with my content because clearly I'll be doing all sorts of things. But today's video is a living room transformation, as you have probably seen from the title. Now, when John and I moved into this house, the living room was completely empty. There was just a dining table and dining chairs, and that was it. It was a completely empty white room, which, like, I guess we were quite lucky with it being white. But yeah, because we've been spending a lot of time here with the way with the way the world is right now, I'm really happy we've put so much of an effort into like what the room looks like and making it really nice and homely, and like it always feels so cozy, and I'm honestly just so happy to be in here all the time. Feel free to leave a comment down below, like if there's anything I show you that you like and you want to like either get that or get something similar. I could tell you where I got it from. So the first thing you notice about the room is that it's really spacious, and that illusion is given by it being white and the large windows. Another thing is it only came with that mirror that you just saw and the dining tables and chairs. I apologize for how shaky the video is because it was taken by John because I wasn't there at the time of the viewing, but you can see that the interior decor of the room was done from scratch by us. So as you come into the living room, this is the general view. So I'll go into details and show you guys a bit more. So when you come into the living room, this is what you see. So the look I was going for was like more like a minimalist kind of look. As you can see, we both really love plants, so I'll start over here. So here we have some coasters that we got in Lekki Arts and Craft Market. More coasters, but we bought them here in the UK. We got this as well, which I absolutely love. We got it framed as a present from John's parents. From Lekki Arts and Crafts Market, that I like the actual thing that's inside. You have more plants here because who doesn't love plants? Most of these we bought together, so these are like our plants. We have some little elephants here from Lekki Arts and Crafts as well. So over here is John's books and over there are my books. So I'll come in a bit closer. So the books are John's. These two plants were John's before he moved in. We moved in together. IKEA, this is John's, no idea where it's from. Lekki Arts and Crafts Market. And you have John's little Lego man that like literally was made for him. It was a present from his parents. As you can see, it's a teacher, just like John. Then we have this picture. My baby, this is my favorite plant. It's a Chinese money plant. Mirror, it came with the room. We have some potpourri, I don't know. Here, coffee plant. This Lekki Arts and Crafts as well. The plants are a mixture of both of ours. These are my books, and so one thing you might not actually be able to see is that there's actually 2 layers of books because I like things being organized a certain way, and yeah, it just looks nicer like this, so I decided to put some books at the back instead of like just all across here. This is a picture of John and I, so like silly picture from my work office party. What else? This painting was made by John's friend, who's also a teacher. John bought it off him. This, which I plan to get rid of at some point because it looks okay here, it's growing, it's beautiful, but then you get to the back. Why does it look like it's been cursed from the back? I don't know. Then you have our sofa. We kind of went for the yellow accent, so the throw pillows are from IKEA. The sofa is from Dunelm. This right here, the little rug, it's kind of like a Moroccan rug thing, is from Dunelm as well. And we have some more throws here because I like to be nice and comfy and cozy. And yeah, that is us. There is lots of storage in the room, which I really like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing our humble abode, or at least the living room. But yeah, catch you in the next video.